to my channel. I'm Rosa. for watching till the end. I see you in my next video. Please like, share and subscribe.